Hey guys, if your doctor won't prescribe TRT, definitely watch my video until the end because I'm going to tell you all about Fountain TRT that I've been using for a while now. So I'll be talking about Fountain TRT, its services, how it stands out from its competitors, and whether it's worth trying out. And I'm including a link down below that'll give you great deals on your first month with them, just in case you want to use it. So Fountain TRT is an online clinic I found while I was shopping around for testosterone replacement. One of the biggest turnoff for me was the other companies was their lack of price transparency. They have a ton of add-ons to their basic price that just didn't feel comfortable with. But with Fountain TRT, there are no add-ons or upselling. You pay $199 a month for an all-inclusive fee and no pressure to buy anything else. After doing the medical exam, blood test, and a consultation to discuss treatment options, I went with the topical cream. For those of you who don't like creams, they also offer injections. I literally just have to rub the cream on my arm twice a day, which is very convenient. I just have to be careful I don't accidentally spread it on someone else or brush up against. So I make sure to rub it in high on my arm, around my shoulders. I absolutely saw an increase in my T levels and a huge boost in overall energy. The drive I need to push myself while in the gym has improved so much that I have more energy to work out harder and longer. I recover faster from the gym when I'm done, so I could continue with my day without feeling exhausted. I'm finding it easier to put muscles as well. And what's crazy is that I'm eating more, but I'm burning through the extra calories by being able to train longer and more intensively at the gym. One thing I personally like is that everything is online and their treatments are shipped discreet and I don't have to go to a clinic or a pharmacy. And they also offer resources and support services like nutritional guidance and lifestyle tips to help you get the most out of your therapy. So guys, I hope you liked this video and don't forget the link. Take care.